Hey there, Quizmasters, ready for a wild guessing game? Let's dive right in. Fact number 1. This animal is a bamboo guzzling machine, munching up to 38 kilos a day. Fact number 2, it's got a tuxedo-like fur pattern, making it the best dressed in any jungle. Fact number 3, famous for being adorably clumsy, but don't let that fool you, it's got a mean roll. Fact number 4, although it looks like a bear, it's actually more closely related to raccoons. So, any guesses? Drop your answers in the comments. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to find out the answer in our next video. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.